This 8-gauge marine wire from NAOEVO uses oxygen-free tinned copper conductors that hold up far better than bare copper in damp and salty environments. The thick, polyvinyl chloride insulation is impressively tough, shrugging off abrasion, ultraviolet exposure, and saltwater spray that would quickly degrade cheaper cable. Each conductor is built to true 8-gauge standards with a dense strand count and generous outer diameter, so voltage drop stays low even on longer runs. The cable meets key marine and automotive standards and carries an IP68 waterproof rating, which inspires confidence for critical onboard circuits. A wide operating temperature range and 600-volt rating make this wire suitable for demanding installations, from trolling motors to solar hookups. The bundle includes matching red and black runs at 100 feet each, making it easy to build clean, color-coded wiring looms for boats, recreational vehicles, and off-grid systems.